Practical phrases. Rhythm of buying. Polite interaction. Step 1. Arriving at the market. Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
What are you selling?
What are you selling?
I need fresh tomatoes.
I need fresh tomatoes.
How much is this?
How much is this?
That's too expensive.
That's too expensive.
Can you lower the price?
Can you lower the price?
I'll take 3.
I'll take 3.
Do you have onions?
Do you have onions?
Yes, right here.
Yes, right here.
I'll take a kilo.
I'll take a kilo.
What's the total?
What's the total?
That's fair.
That's fair.
I'll pay in cash.
I'll pay in cash.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Your tomatoes look fresh.
Your tomatoes look fresh.
I like this market.
I like this market.
It's busy today.
It's busy today.
I'll come again.
I'll come again.
Have a good day.
Have a good day.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Step 2. Buying. Hello again.
Hello again.
I need bananas.
I need bananas.
How much for one bunch?
How much for one bunch?
Can you give me a deal?
Can you give me a deal?
I'm buying many things.
I'm buying many things.
Please help me save.
Please help me save.
Okay, I'll give you a discount.
Okay, I'll give you a discount.
Thank you, that's kind.
Thank you, that's kind.
I'll take 2 bunches.
I'll take 2 bunches.
Do you have eggs?
Do you have eggs?
Yes, fresh from the farm.
Yes, fresh from the farm.
I'll take a dozen.
I'll take a dozen.
How much for all?
How much for all?
That's a good price.
That's a good price.
I'll pay now.
I'll pay now.
Here's your change.
Here's your change.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
You are welcome.
See you next time.
See you next time.
Take care.
Take care.
Step 3. Leaving the market. My bag is full.
My bag is full.
I bought many things.
I bought many things.
I'm happy with the prices.
I'm happy with the prices.
The sellers were kind.
The sellers were kind.
I learned new words.
I learned new words.
I practiced English.
I practiced English.
I feel more confident.
I feel more confident.
I'll cook a good meal.
I'll cook a good meal.
I'll come back tomorrow.
I'll come back tomorrow.
This market is lively.
This market is lively.
I saw fresh fish.
I saw fresh fish.
I heard music playing.
I heard music playing.
I met new people.
I met new people.
I smiled a lot.
I smiled a lot.
I used polite words.
I used polite words.
I asked good questions.
I asked good questions.
I listened carefully.
I listened carefully.
I spoke clearly.
I spoke clearly.
I enjoyed the experience.
I enjoyed the experience.
English in action.
English in action.
Thank you for watching this video.